highlights of the KBN Premier League Season 7 is brought to you by Mass Construct. अपना ड्रीम हाउस बनाए Mass Construct साथ क्वालिटी, अफोर्डेबिलिटी और बेस्ट प्राइस में। कॉल करें स्क्रीन पर नंबर पर। एंड बाय धारवाड़ मोटर्स, जहां पर आपको मिले वैरायटी ऑफ व्हीकल्स एट बेस्ट प्राइस।
Just played it, that one down the ground to the onside. Ball running out to the boundary. Two fielders behind the ball. I don't think they will get it back. First boundary and a welcome boundary for the Station Eagles. Plays that one to the onside. That's a lovely shot. He gets his first boundary. Kedarnathan. Good shot. Over mid off. That's a lovely shot. A boundary to Rahul Injlekar. Again he goes, Kedarnathan. Has he got hold of it? Wait for the umpire signal. It's a boundary signal by the umpire. That's a lovely shot. To the deep. That's top edge. That's up in the air. And taken. Suhas Mali Patil takes a simple catch. So Mohit Bey comes at number 3. Cuts it well and finds the gap. That's a lovely shot. Mohit Bey opens his account with a boundary. Slight outside the off stump. He's onto it in a flash. And he gets a first boundary. Opens his account with that wonderful boundary. Oh, goes high. That's up in the air. There is a fielder. And watching it like a spectator. That's a 6 for Mohit Bey, the captain. Straight away is attacking on the bowlers. Good shot again. He plays that one over deep fine leg. Has it gone the distance? That's another 6 for Mohit Bey. Second 6 in this over. Good ball and cleans up the batsman. As I told you, he's a very good bowler. He always produced the breakthroughs when the team needed. Oh, swept it fine. Has he got the boundary? Yes, he has. Mohit Bey, the captain, playing a captain innings here. Goes for the biggie. And he has got a magnificent hit over deep into wicket. That's 6. This time again he goes. Over long on. Wide long on. Another 6. Back-to-back 6s for Yunus Ali Beg. Cuts it well. There is a man in the deep cover. Can he catch it off? And the ball will win the race. Back-to-back 6s now the boundary. Good shot. Over cover. Has it gone the distance? It does. What a shot from Yunus Ali Beg. He slapped it over deep cover. That's a lovely shot. That's a good shot. That's up in the air. I think Yunus Ali has got a good distance on the time. Another 6. That's a good shot. At Yunus Ali Beg. Dispatched it into the stands. Another 6. Yunus Ali Beg goes. And goes big. That's 6. That's a 50 for Yunus Ali Beg. That's his second 50 in this tournament for Yunus Ali Beg. What an innings he is playing at the moment. Oh, good improvisation. Mohit Bey. Has he got hold of it? That's 6. Take that. What a shot. Effortless. Oh, good shot. He pulls that one. Forward deep mid wicket. That's a biggie. That's a monster blow. Another 6 for Yunus Ali Beg. He's dealing in 6s at the moment. Make it 7th. Is that? Yes, it does. Again he goes. That's in the air. Come on. Taken by Abul Hasan. Finally, wonderful innings comes to an end. A very good catch by Abul Hasan in the deep. 50. He pulls that onto the onside again. That's a lovely shot. Over square leg. Another 6. Back-to-back 6s. One-handed shot in the air and taken. Very good catch from the man at extra cover. Yasir Arafat takes a very good catch. Mohit Bey departs. That's a very good shot. That's Aditya Mani. That's a good shot. That's up in the air. Long off in place. And that's 6. Over Rohan Naveen. Head. What a strike. Clean blow. Aditya Mani this time in the air and gone. Very good catch from Rohan Naveen in the deep at long on. Oh, swept it well. Wait for the umpire signal. One bounce over the rope. Harish JK joins into the party. Good shot. Played it on the onside. That's 6. What a shot over deep to get. That's Clement Rajamohan. Good shot. One bounce. Right in between the two fielders. Boundary to Clement Rajamohan. Boundary to Station Eagles. Oh, plain miss. That's well bowled. And missed by the wicketkeeper. Outside edge and a boundary. Good shot. Straight on the ground. One bounce. 213 for 5 after 20 overs. The target for the Rosa Stars 214 in allotted 20 overs. 214 is the target. Good shot. That's 6, I think. Yes. Maximum use of the free delivery by Ali sir. This time played it over the fielder set mid off. One bounce over the rope. This is good batting. Pulls that onto the onside. That's a lovely shot. Another 6. Again, Adisar goes over cover. Ball running away to the boundary. Fielder behind the ball. Another boundary to Adisar. Another boundary to Rosa Stars. Said it. So first wicket goes down. Good shot, played it down the ground, long on in place, and that ball went straight down the ground. That's a lovely shot. Avinash D opens his account with a boundary. Nice way to open the account. Oh, feeds the fielder. Another boundary to Avinash D. Aditya Mani made a mess of it. Ball races away to the fence. That's a good shot. Clears the mid-on region. Wait for the umpire signal. That gone for the distance. That's 6. First 6 for Tipparadi. Oh, pulls that onto the onside. Wobber square leg. Into the boundary. Avinash D gets his third boundary. He is dealing in boundaries at the moment. A slight shot in length. It dispatched it to Wobber. Deep mid wicket. Another boundary. Played it over the fielder set mid on and into the boundary. Another boundary for Avinash D. Back to back boundaries. No off measures. Clean hitting. Oh, that's delicate. That's a deliberate. That's a lovely shot. Using the pace of the bowler. That's clever. That's cheeky. Good shot over mid off. That's a lovely shot. Wait for the umpire signal. That went for the distance. Over extra cover. What a strike from Avinash D. He gets his first 6. Played that one to the onside. That's a boundary. Beats the man at mid on. Harish JK, no chance. Boundary to Tipparadi. So Mahesh Reddy into the attack. Played it well. Over long on. That's 6 for Avinash D. It looks like to me. Yes, that's a 6. He goes again. Over mid on. And another 6 at long on. Oh, he goes again. Another 6 for Avinash D. Third 6 in this over. And is playing a wonderful innings for the Rosa Stars, Avinash D. Oh, ball to him, I think. Tipparadi departs. Harish JK stuck in his first over. This is a big breakthrough for Station Eagles. Oh, that's a delicate. That's a clever. Rohan Naveen is the man. Just opened the face of the blade. Glided that one to the deep third man region. Good shot. Played it. Oh, his partner is on the danger zone. That was hit straight. That's a lovely shot. That brings a 50 for Avinash D. Good shot over mid wicket. One bounce over the rope. No, he has gone the distance. What a shot! In between long on and a deep mid wicket. Avinash D played that one through the extra cover. That's a boundary. Good placement, even though fielder at extra cover unable to stop that one. Lovely placement. I swept to 12 over the fielder's head. Another boundary for Avinash D. That's clever, that's cheeky. That's a good shot, straight down the ground. One bounce over the rope, lovely shot. This time it's a Rohan Naveen. Goes big. And that's another 6 for Avinash D. What a shot. That's a good shot. Over deep and leg. That's a boundary for the Rohan Naveen. Goes high. That's biggie. That's way back. That's 6 for Avinash D. Played that one down the ground to the extra cover. There is a fielder. The ball racing away to the boundary. Boundary added to the total 6 and a boundary. 10 runs in the first 2 balls. He goes again. Square leg in place. That ball went over the square leg fielder's head. Another 6. Launched it. Over long off.
6, yes.
Good shot straight on the ground. One bounce on the rope. Century for Avinash D. That's his second century in this tournament. Again he goes down the ground. That's another boundary for Avinash D. He's in a hurry. 31 runs. That's in there. Aditya Mani takes the catch. So finally fantastic innings. Good shot over extra cover. Rohan Naveen. Bowled him. Rohan Naveen departs. Now 25 balls and 19 runs needed. Oh, has he taken? Yes, he has. Abul Hassan departs. 13 ball, 12 runs needed. Breakthrough for Clement. Let it go. Oh, that's a lovely shot through the extra cover. That's a lovely shot from Pritesh Ingle. Gets his boundary. Oh, this time catch it. And the catch has been taken by the fielder at Peckout Point. Match ready is the catcher. Good shot. Abhishek SK gets it. Rosa Stars win this match by 4 wickets in 19 overs.
Good evening, Gulbarga. Welcome to the KBN Premier League Season 7 at the KBN Turf Ground. And what an exciting game we had. Station Eagles versus the Rosa Stars. A total run feast. More than 400 runs scored today. A round of applause for both the teams and the ground management for getting such an exciting pitches. Well, it was match number 23, day number 12, non-stop action in the KBN Premier League Season 7. We had the toss. Rosa Star won the toss and elected to bowl first. I think early on the decision didn't get their way, and the Station Eagles managed to get a mammoth 213 for the loss of 5 wickets in 20 overs. Well played, Station Eagles. You know, Station Eagles are on the top of the table and they have played some exceptional cricket throughout the tournament. And their key batsman, Yunus Ali, scoring 74 of 36 balls, 4 fours and 7 giant sixes. Let's hear it for Yunus Ali. And we have the cool cucumber, the captain, Mohit B.A., chipping again with a wonderful 50, 56 of 30 balls, 2 fours and 5 sixes. Mohit B.A. And again, that secret, Clement Rajmohan coming again with 15 balls, 34 runs, managing the team to take the score above 200. He got 3 fours and 2 sixes. You know, talking about the bowling, everybody from the Rosa Stars picked up each wicket. Avinash D won, Rohan Naveen, Raghav Shiv Shankar, Yasir Arafat, Pritish Ingle. Every bowler bowled well but took 1 wicket and managed to get Station Eagles to a bit of 20-30 runs less, because 213 is still a daunting task for the Rosa Stars. And talking about the chase, the big chase for the Rosa Stars, starting with the star player Syed Ali Al Husseini Sahab smashing 20 plus run in the first over, setting up the momentum for the entire team. And then the magic. Avinash dynamic, playing the key innings, the anchor innings, scoring the century, his first century in this tournament, 109 of just 46 balls. Second century, in fact. Second century, 109 of 46 balls, 11 fours and 8 sixes, Avinash D. And he was equally supported by the anchor, Rohan Naveen, scoring 40 of 24 balls, 5 fours and 1 6. Rohan Naveen, let's hear it for him. And Rosa Stars managing to win this game by scoring 215 runs in 19 overs and winning this game by 4 wickets. Rosa Stars. I think we had a wonderful game here and there was no question for the man of the match, the player of the match, none other than Avinash D for his century. He gets a check of rupees 2,500 from the KBN Premier League committee and a glittering trophy. Well played, Avinash. There are a lot of prizes, Avinash. You need to stay here for at least 1 hour to get the awards. Avinash D, hold on. You will be getting a check of rupees 10,000 for the century from the KBN Premier League committee. 10,000 rupees for Avinash D. Another prize, Avinash D, from the team owners. 5,000 rupees cash from the team owners of the Rosa Stars. And another prize from the captain, Mohammad Munir. 2,000 rupees cash from Mohammad Munir. I think you have to, Captain, you can come and join with the party. Next up, Avinash D will be getting a check of rupees 4,000 for his 8 sixes from the KBN Premier League committee. And a special prize for his century, Dr. Sesha Khusro Hosseini Century Award that will be given by SARQ, that is cash prize of 5,000 rupees. And hold on, we have another prize from your coach, Solomon, giving away 5,000 rupees cash for Avinash Day. Solomon sir told no Paytm, no phone pay, only cash. That's really good, sir. That's really good. Thank you. Thank you so much. We have the next prizes going on, and we have the Chandrasekhar Hiramat Foundation T-shirt. Yeah. Request Avinash D to kindly come up and have a chat with us. Avinash, century, pressure game for Rosa Stars and you delivered.
पता था हमको 3 में 3 जीतना है, तो आज मतलब बहुत ही फेयरलेस थे। जब हम अंदर गए तो थोड़ा अली सर भी थोड़ा पंप अप किए कि करना ही करना है, तो वो थोड़ा अच्छा मोटिव मिला हम पूरे टीम वालों को, तो वहीं से थोड़ा किक हुआ।
अविनाश, क्या वो जो आपने कैच छोड़ा था, कहीं ना कहीं आपके दिमाग में था कि ये कैच छूटा है मेरे से, कहीं ना कहीं मुझे अब वो जिद दिखाना है बैटिंग में, ऐसा कुछ हुआ?
कैच वही थोड़ा लेट कॉल हो गया, तो मेरी गलती थी, मैं पहुंच गया था, मैं पकड़ना चाहिए था, तो वो एक माइंड में था बड़ा ये हो सकता है। अच्छा बैटिंग किया यूनुस ने, वेल प्लेड, और वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन नहीं था, बस सिर्फ काम थे, क्योंकि एक एंड छोटा था, तो सिर्फ लूज बॉल का वेट कर रहे थे।
Absolutely right, Avinash. That's really wonderful. And your father is also here. And let's hear it for Avinash father. And Avinash, thank you, sir. Avinash, it was really wonderful to see you watch and bat. Thank you so much for entertaining the crowd. Thank you so much. And next up, we have the Chandrasekhar Hiramat Foundation T-shirt award for his outstanding innings from the Station Eagles. So I would request Yunus Ali to come up and pick up this T-shirt because you have really played well. The innings were good, but the luck was not your way. Let's hear it for Yunus Ali for the T-shirt from the Chandrasekhar Hiramat Foundation. And you will also be getting a check of rupees 3,500 for 7 sixes. Come on, guys. Let's not forget the innings which he played. You know, getting 200 plus runs is always good. And next now I call upon Mohit BA to collect a check of rupees 2,500 for his 5 giant sixes, the captain of the Station Eagles. And I would request our team from Hash Farm Park to come and give away a cash prize of 2,000 rupees to the anchor of the Rosa Stars, Rohan Naveen, who played really well. So Rohan Naveen, I request Sayyid Ihtisham from the Hash Farm Park to give away a 2,000 rupees cash for Rohan Naveen for playing a match-winning innings. So this is what we have here at the post-match presentation for match number 23, Rosa Stars for the Station Eagles. Stay tuned with the KBN House of Sports for live coverage, and I would request the winning team to come up for the photo session. Thank you so much.
Highlights of the KBN Premier League Season 7 is brought to you by Mass Construct. अपना ड्रीम हाउस बनाए Mass Construct साथ क्वालिटी, अफोर्डेबिलिटी और बेस्ट प्राइस में. कॉल करें स्क्रीन पर नंबर पर. एंड बाय धारवाड़ मोटर्स, जहां पर आपको मिले वैरायटी ऑफ व्हीकल्स एट बेस्ट प्राइस.